Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm gonna see why the brakes don't work, and we're gonna clean out the inside of this whole thing, clean it all out. I got a little storage truck to put everything in, and I'm gonna clean the exterior because it needs to be clean and polished. So right off the rip, I could see why the brakes weren't working. It looks like this guy right here came off of this guy. So there's that. All right, plug that bad boy back in there. I threw a hose clamp on there, and hopefully that should be good to go with the brakes. I just gotta put this guy back on, and then I can start taking out the seat. All right, that fixed the brakes, everybody. Not just hard crap now. There we go. All right, now I can take the seats out and get this thing clean inside. Cause look at this mess, dude. Crazy. All right, guys. To take this seat out, there's two 13s right here in the middle, underneath. So you get in from the front, and then you pop out those little things, and then there's the Torx under there. And it's basically just like every other Mark IV Volkswagen. It's literally the same thing. Then there's like these two. I don't have heated seats, so there's only those two connectors. So if you see how disgusting this car is, it needs it. And it's like the sun's beaming right on me. So God help me. was gonna polish it and anything, but the paint is actually in really good condition. I think I'm just gonna throw some wax on it and call it a day. And just do that for now. Because honestly, I'm super exhausted, tired, and yeah, I'm just gonna throw some wax on here and call it a day. Because yeah, I'm exhausted. And the paint is actually pretty good. It does need some clear coat on top. Right there in the middle of the top. Can't really see it. There's that. So the things left to do, I'm gonna bleed the throwout bearing. Actually, I need to do the wheels too. I'm gonna bleed the throwout bearing. Or I'm gonna bleed the clutch throwout bearing. Jeez, that's how you know I'm done. I'm tired. And I'm trying to run my power cable for my subwoofer up front. That's why you saw the trim off. And I think that's it for now. I'm gonna get some tags and drive it and see what else it needs. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So, now I'm gonna bleed. I got my bleeder all set up. Got my bleeder set up down there. So I'm gonna pump this up. You know, I'm gonna bleed it. One-man bleeder, pressure bleeder. That's how we're gonna do these, all right? So hopefully that'll make the clutch pedal feel a lot more firmer. All right, I was able to bleed that, so the pedal feels a lot firmer now, not all loosey-goosey. I finished running the power wire, so we got that done. So I went to install the radio, because the radio didn't work, and now I know why the radio didn't work. Bruh. And also, it doesn't need a 5 amp, it takes a 10 amp. So let's pop that bad boy in there. Like, for real, the stupid little stuff on these cars. Alright, let's see if that works now. Oh man, I'm getting old, y'all. The boy is getting old. Alright, let's see if that worked. I'm gonna be so sad if it didn't work. Huh. Didn't work. So either I screwed up on the wiring, which is highly unlikely, but I make mistakes. But what else could it be? So I'm kind of ticked off about that. Let's see if the fuse is actually blown. Nope, fuse isn't blown. The fuse is actually in there. Come on, man. That's sad. How am I gonna get music in here? Totally sad. Alright, with that disappointment. Alright, so as you see, I ordered the intake. Well, you don't see that, but I ordered the intake. The same one I have for the black one, the $20 one from eBay or Amazon. So I'm gonna put that in. That should come tomorrow, and we'll resume this video tomorrow. I really do need to look at this, but I really don't know how to take this thing off. I honestly just don't know how to take it off. I'm gonna try again. All right, guys. All right, so we got the air intake. Oh, there we go. $25, yo. So next, I'm going to install that on there. I gotta take this off. So yeah, it's hot to it. Alright, we got brakes. Let's go. Yay! Finally get to drive this car. This is so cool. Man, there's mosquitoes in here catching a ride with me. Not cool. I gotta get used to the tap being so small. I'm gonna take this on the road. Put my seatbelt on. This is so cool, yo! No lights are on, bruh! Legit. Like, this is so legit. Gosh, so smooth. Oh my god, I love this little car. This is so cool. Alright, the brakes feel good. I got fourth gear, baby. Uh-oh. Don't tell me I don't have fifth gear. What's going on? I don't have fifth gear. Huh. Fifth gear is a little notchy. Second. Third. Fourth. Jeez, what's wrong with my fifth gear? Alright guys, before I end the video, I don't know if you can see it down there, but there's basically no bushing. It's hard to see, but like right here, there's like nothing there. So, there's that. I guess I gotta order that piece. And maybe I can get it in fifth gear. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. We're gonna find out. Alright. Yep. Alright, time to figure that out. Alright, so up here that bushing fell off and this is the remainder of it. So I have a new one. And I have a new one of these too. So take this one off, put on the new kit that I got, which is around here somewhere. And the sun is blazing right now. So I'm sacrificing my life for these cars. Alright, so yeah, of course I used the wrong size. It's supposed to be a T25, not a T20 or whatever. So here's the old thing. Here's the old one there that went here as well. So I put a new one in, it came with the new screw. You see I had to cut it. And then I put the new thing in here, and I think I got it working, y'all. We're gonna go for a test drive and see. I think I got it to work. Now later on, I'll replace the other bushings down there, and I gotta get, once I get a new shift knob, I'll replace this one, so I have to cut that clip off right here, which of course I don't really feel like doing right now. I just wanna make sure fifth gear works. So I'm gonna put this all back together and cross my fingers and pray and all that. Alright guys, we were able to do it, y'all. I got my fifth gear, y'all. Check that out. Woo! Got my fifth gear. See? Yeah. So, swap was successful. I just gotta put all this junk back together. And I basically broke half of the dash to get it out. So, guys, I'm so hyped. And AC blows cold, yeah. So, alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe, please.